So it is February 2022, February 13 to 14, 13. These are brand new OEM Yamaha plastics. Probably one of the last few sets. This guy is going to chop them up. He's gonna cut them right off. Brand new fenders. What a shame. Now, hopefully he doesn't, but look how clean these things are. They're unbelievably shiny. All the gloss is still there. We found a secret source as to where they had these, and we bought a few sets. So here's the rear fender. Look at that color. No discoloration, no burn marks. Beautiful gloss. Stickers. Oh, they got the riveted emblems right on it. I like it. Some people probably won't. Used to be stickers, right?
Yeah. Yeah, here.
Oh, those are riveted as well.
More reason to cut the fenders.
You want to open this one too? More reason to cut the fenders, yeah. At least they tell you what tire pressure to have, so you'll always be aware. We're trying to source a gray radiator grill cover and trying to match the 06 450. And he's gonna get the stock stickers on this one. They'll have to be reprints. They don't make them anymore. And this one, same thing, reprints with the gray grill. So he'll have two 06 YFZs, Z. One will be a 350, one will be a 450. One Banshee, and obviously a YFZ 450. So this is all of it, the entire kit. He's actually gonna run the gray like I mentioned in the preview before. But he bought the blue just in case he can't get the gray. And then he has to run blue. His Banshee is just like a kind of an idea right now. It's not been built, so there's no real plan. But this does look pretty sharp. I like it. It like with a blue frame, chrome arms, chrome swing arm. It would look fucking awesome. And then if we walk into my trailer here, we have a set of special edition yellows. I bought these. I'm not sure why I bought these. I have no quad to put them on. And this is a rear blue fender. The front one is still coming in. So there's your Yamaha OEM sticker. And I also bought a blue radiator cover, and the rest, all that is gonna go on. It's gonna go on this Banshee here, which has absolutely rough plastics, but they're okay, but rough. And I'm gonna do the stock OEM stickers on there. So yeah, there's my white covers in here. And there's a radiator grill cover somewhere in one of these boxes too. But yeah, keep watching, and I'll completely unbox them and put them on top of the quad, and you guys can have a look at them.